Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets closed higher yesterday. It was really surprising just ahead of the midterm election results. The markets are higher. So as I stated earlier, there are two big events. One is today, US market will react to the US midterm election results. As per media reports, Republicans are likely to win. So we have to wait and see what are the political consequences, So as a layman point of view, the president is now from Democratic Party, and if Republicans win the House, then running the government for the next 2 years may be a bit difficult. So actually, Republicans winning, it may not be good for a political stability. But again, we don't know. So politics is one thing and the stock market is another thing. But right now, US futures are flat. They are not reacting. And I don't know when the results will be out. But at least the trend will be known, I think, by 11, 12 Indian time. So Asian markets are generally higher, and SGX Nifty, a fantastic 18,400. And Monday, there was a selling as soon as market opened around 18,300. So it went close to 18,100, now 18,400, so which is a 300-point rally since Monday afternoon. And usually, whenever there is a local holiday, the following day when the markets open, either it will be big gap up or big gap down, depending upon the 2 days move in other countries. So now it looks it's going to be a big gap up. But on Monday, as soon as the gap up opened, the markets were sold into. So today we have to wait and see whether that is going to happen. Moreover, markets in the world will start reacting to US results. So I would advise to keep away from market today until the US results are very, very clear. And China, the consumer price inflation data came, so it came better than expected. So that is one of the reasons why Asian markets are firmly on the green, just ahead of such a big event. So all the Indian ADRs in the US were higher yesterday, and Monday, I think during the weekend I reported, so Bank Nifty is likely to outperform. So the Bank Nifty has outperformed. So that's because of State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda shot up 10%. So there was some lot of unwinding happen in SBI and Bank of Baroda because people have taken position, considering the results. So the results are out and they both moved significantly higher. So many people might have booked the profit. So I think the run seems to be over in both the stocks, and my stocks may consolidate going ahead. So Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, both are just 200 to 300 points away from the respective all-time highs. And we just need one small push for the Nifty to scale all-time high. And that should come from TCS and Infosys. So despite markets so enthusiastic, moving closer to all-time high, and both Infosys and TCS have been hugely underperforming, I can say. So any move like 4-5% in these two stocks can take the markets to all-time high. So looking at open interest, the 18,000 put option has a huge open interest. And I think for weekly expiry, tomorrow is the expiry. And today if Nifty opens around 18,400, even if it consolidates between 18,300 and 400 also, so this 18,000 put options premiums will collapse. And even in monthly options also, so 18,000 put option has a huge open interest, and people are taking 18,100, 18,200 short straddle, expecting some kind of a resistance. So earlier I told you 18,300 to 18,400 is supposed to be a resistance zone. Now clearly we are trading around the resistance zone. So if that resistance is taken out, I think the next logical is all-time high. So I was just looking at some stock specific. So I found two stocks. One is Manappuram Finance, and Manappuram Finance, so technically it is showing long. So one can consider taking a long position with stop loss around 100 rupees. And alternatively, you can sell some put options. So I'm planning to sell some 100 put option in Manappuram Finance. So the reason being, the stocks have corrected so much. I think Manappuram, it has almost corrected about 50%. And then, the gold prices continue to be firm. That's because of rupee depreciation. So these things are good for this gold loan companies. So another stock which is slightly more speculative, which is still not long, but it can become long anytime. So that is India Cements. So one can consider taking a long position if India Cements crosses 251, and then you can put stop loss at 240. And I'm planning to sell some put options in India Cement, but that is after the US results are very clear. So today there are two reasons why I do not want to add more positions. Number one, US midterm election results. Number two, the VIX is very, very low. So, but anyway, the markets are clearly buy on the dip markets now. So we have seen 200-point correction on Monday. But what happened then? At the end of the day, markets have shot up, and today it is even opening gap up. So clearly the trend, major trend is on the upside. So ride the trend, and if you are selling put options, so far I sold put options on 17,800 below. Now I will consider selling 18,000 put option also for the monthly expiry. But anyway, if things go wrong, we will know how to manage, because we have only hardly 12 trading sessions. After today, it will be only 11 trading sessions. So we just have only one more important event, that is US inflation data, which is on Thursday. So once that is over, the markets all over the world, they may move gradually, may go up or down, but it may go up or down gradually, not violently. So today we can expect market to trade around 18,200 to 18,450, 420. So let us see what happens. The focus will be more on banking stocks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.